Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to the video What's the difference? That's actually the main question people ask when they learn a foreign language. Especially it happens when in our own language we have just one word and in the language that we learn we have a few options for the same word. And obviously we ask ourselves, what's the difference? How to use these words correctly? That's why today I want to cover the difference between these Russian words. The first one is сейчас, теперь, now. Then давно and долго, long time, for a long time ago. Then здесь, тут, сюда. All three words mean here. And там and туда, there. Are you ready to know the difference between those? Then let's begin. First, let's start with сейчас and теперь. Both of them mean now, as I said before, but we use them in different situations. The first one, сейчас, describes a present moment. Сейчас зима, or сейчас холодно. Сейчас. Also, that can describe something that will happen pretty soon, in the near future. Сейчас придет мама. Сейчас придет мама. And теперь we use when we want to compare the present moment with the past moment. Раньше я не любила клубнику, а теперь люблю. So we compare it with our past. Раньше we compare with теперь. This comparison can be clear, like in this example. Раньше you have, so obviously you compare теперь with something that was happening before. And sometimes we can just mean it. If we take, for instance, the previous examples, like сейчас холодно, we can say теперь холодно. But we mean it like now it's cold, but it was warmer, it was hot before. So that's a little difference between those. And as we can imagine, the word сейчас we can use in any possible situation, about anything. Comparison, description, doesn't matter. Сейчас works for everything. But теперь works only for comparison. So don't use it if you don't want to compare the present moment with something in the past. Sometimes it's just impossible to compare it and your sentence will sound a little bit weird if you will use теперь instead of сейчас. So, little hint, always use the word сейчас. It will work. Then the second group, давно and долго. They're kind of different, but still both of them can be translated into English as long time ago, for a long time. The word давно is related to the action that happened long time ago. So that should be in the past. Давно, long ago. Я давно тебя не видела. You see, in English here, the translation can be I haven't seen you for a long time. But in Russian, we mean it like I've seen you before, but it was long time ago. So here, feel the difference between these English phrases, for a long time or a long time ago. So that's in the past. It happened before. Я давно тебя не видела. Or, это было так давно, я уже ничего не помню. Это было так давно. It was so long ago. No need to add the word назад. Назад literally means ago. But here, for the word давно, we don't need it, because давно it's already long time ago. And the word долго always describes the process that takes some time to do. Я ждала тебя очень долго. I was waiting for you for a long time. So it's not in the past tense that I was waiting for you long time ago. No, that's exactly about waiting for some period of time. Давно and долго. Or, почему ты так долго не отвечал мне? What took you so long to answer? So again, some period of time. Then the group with three words. Здесь, тут, сюда. All of them mean here, but in Russian there is a difference between those. Здесь and тут are exactly the same, so you could use the one you like more. Здесь, тут, both here when you talk about location. Я здесь. I am here. Or где здесь аптека? Where is the pharmacy here? Same phrases we can say if we use тут. Я тут, где тут аптека? They're exactly the same. But сюда is different. Сюда is here when you describe direction or motion. So you should always have there some verb of motion. That's actually the same difference as we discussed in the previous video, like this, between question words где, куда. Где, the question where for location, куда, the question where for direction or motion. Here it's exactly the same. They even sound similar. Куда, сюда. Сюда, here. Like if you want to say come here, that will be иди сюда. Иди, that's a verb of motion. Anytime you combine this here with any verb of motion, you will use сюда. Or мы придем сюда завтра. Придем сюда завтра. And the last group is exactly the same as the previous one. But here for there, we have just two words. Там and туда. Там, that's the one for location. Кто там? Who's there? Or там много людей. And obviously, туда again sounds similar as сюда, куда. We will use for direction or motion. Я не хочу идти туда. Идти туда. And that was it. I hope it helped, and I hope that now you understand the difference between all these Russian words. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and learn Russian with me.